We are expecting some rain later tonight, but for now, the story is still strong winds across Kern County. We've seen some very strong gusts, especially towards the base of the Grapevine. Excuse me. Let's take a look at the current wind speeds, the wind gusts, rather. Through the Grapevine, places like the Beck, right around 40 miles per hour, but look at the base of the Grapevine, 54 miles per hour. And we've seen several reported gusts over 50 miles per hour in that area. Maddie Vollmer earlier talking about all the blowing dust this has kicked up. We've been pretty fortunate, not too many power outages or significant impacts. These winds are definitely strong enough that we could still see those this evening, but we've been fairly fortunate so far. Here in Bakersfield, 36 mile per hour winds already, and again, we could even beat that as we head through the evening hours because these winds are going to be staying strong. Now, Futurecast probably going a little bit strong on these winds. You can see it brings Bakersfield up over 40 miles per hour. That's not out of the question, but over the next couple of hours, winds are going to stay strong here in the valley. As we head toward about 11 to midnight and that rain line that we'll talk about here momentarily moves in, winds will die down for us here in the valley, but stay gusty for our mountain communities. Those areas will start to see the winds die down late overnight into tomorrow morning. And by the time we get to tomorrow afternoon, everyone's back to relatively calm conditions. So still several hours here of gusty winds. And eventually we're going to be looking at rain. Now, it's not a ton of rain. You can see just a line of light to moderate showers finally starting to push its way into far western Kern County. That's still going to take a while to push through the rest of the county here. So over the next several hours, probably between about 9 to midnight, we'll start to see some rain here in Bakersfield, and as you can see, it's not all that widespread. If we do see some heavier rain, it's going to be down towards the South Mountains. Here in the valley, just a couple of showers here and there. It is possible that some of that activity lingers into Wednesday, but most of the rain is going to be late overnight tonight into very early tomorrow morning. And let's talk about how much rain we're looking at here. Again, for most of us, it's not a lot. In the valley, 1/10 of an inch or less. Just a couple of spotty showers here and there. However, again, down toward the South Mountains, that's where we could get half an inch to even as much as an inch of rain. So still the wind here this evening. Eventually, overnight, we'll see that transition to more of a rain event. Plenty more rain to talk about in the extended forecast, too. Let's take a look at tomorrow in more detail, though not as much to talk about tomorrow compared to today. The winds are going to be much calmer. Yes, a minor rain chance, but it doesn't look all that significant. 64 degrees. A little bit cooler Thursday, Friday, back a little bit warmer again as we head toward Valentine's Day. And then our next system moves in, and that one is looking a little bit stronger. That one could definitely bring more widespread rain to Kern County and most of California. At this point, it looks like late Sunday into early Monday and Tuesday would be the timing for that system. That is one we're going to be tracking very closely through the week, especially after we put this current system behind us. Mountain areas, a little bit higher rain chances for tomorrow, still not all that high. Mostly calm conditions through the day Thursday through about Saturday, and then again things ramping back up late Sunday into early next week with that additional rain and snow chance.